Medium voltage tension composite insulators are designed to be installed in overhead power lines with voltages of up to 52 kilovolts. They are resistant to UV radiation, weathering, aging, impact, and chemical influences. As such, they are suitable for hostile environments, such as industrial, seaside, and desert climates. They are very light and easy to install. Our special patented tension clamp allows for fastening into two planes, meaning that the amount of various insulators in storage is reduced. Our tension composite insulators have been produced for over 15 years and have been approved in independent accredited laboratories. The quality of the end product is ensured with initial, mid-process, and end-phase material and product quality control. All basic components are subjected to initial tests. Epoxy rods, resistant to electrical corrosion, are tested for dye penetration according to the prescribed standard. If there are signs of dye penetration on the surface after 15 minutes, we return the shipment. The surface of the bottom end fitting is protected through a process of hot dip galvanizing. The coating thickness must comply with the standards for each galvanizing process. The composite insulator core consists of an epoxy rod and two fittings. They are assembled based on the customer's demands. The customer provides information about the fitting types as well as the creepage distance and the arcing distance. The fittings are pressed using a hydraulic machine with 8 pressing jaws. Once pressing is complete, a 100% specified mechanical load test is performed on a calibrated 20-ton mechanical load testing machine. All tension composite insulators from our regular production achieve a maximum tension load of up to 90 kilonewtons. After siliconizing, we perform a visual inspection of the silicone rubber and the mechanical adhesion of the rubber to the core. If necessary, bolts or spring cotter pins are inserted into the fittings. Once assembly is complete, the insulators are packaged using standard or customized packaging. Before delivery, all our shipments are weighed using electronic scales. Compared to other manufacturers, our main advantage is that we also produce insulators with a larger maximum tension load upon the customer's requests.